Hi, welcome to the exciting world of Roblox game development. My name is Omar Khwaja, and I'm your enthusiastic guide on this journey. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, you've landed in the perfect spot. On this channel, we'll go into the essentials of Roblox game development, breaking down the process into easy to follow steps. From scripting basics to advanced building techniques, we'll prepare you to bring your game ideas to life. Together, we'll explore the tools, tricks, and tips that will empower you to become a skilled Roblox game developer. I've organized 3 video series for you. The first one focuses on step-by-step Roblox game development and scripting. The second video series focuses on 3D modeling in a software called Blender, which will allow you to create game objects such as clothing, hats, weapons, and more. Lastly, the third video series is going to be step-by-step video game creation, where we'll be creating a variety of different games in a step-by-step, easy-to-follow process, and show you some tools and techniques that will allow you to streamline your game building experience and build games in a quick and efficient manner. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's embark on this journey of creativity, learning, and fun. If at any part of the process you need any help or you have questions, feel free to comment in the comments section or join our Discord channel. We'll start with an introduction into Lua scripting, and in the context of Roblox game development, we'll cover Roblox Studio, explaining the interface of the studio, addressing common scripting errors, offering guidance on how to use Roblox Developer Hub, and the focus is to help beginners get started with Lua scripting for Roblox games and creating those games. Then we'll go into the art of designing compelling games in Roblox and emphasizing the importance of balancing gameplay for enhanced player experience, and also guiding creators in selecting the most suitable genres for their Roblox games and exploring techniques for crafting engaging and immersive game environments. Additionally, the category that we'll be talking about is going to touch on the significance of understanding player psychology in the context of game design. We'll be looking at multiplayer games and features to help a third-party system, player trading, building chat systems with filtering, and also looking at monetization strategies for in-game purchases to help you understand how you can use game pass systems and advertisement utilization, and designing and selling custom game items to build VIP systems for exclusive content. We'll be showing you how to enhance game performance by optimizing your scripts and assets, reducing lag for your players, and building efficient collision detection systems, models, and debugging techniques. We'll be talking about also some of the optimization that you can do for different devices, from iOS to Android to mobile versus desktop, and we'll be looking at how you can get analytics within your games to help tailor your gameplay to different devices and different players. We'll be looking at some of the different educational based games and ideas for games that you can create for education and helping your users learn and making it exciting for different theme based games to be created for not only helping players have fun but also making it very educational for them. And we'll be also looking at some of the role-playing games that we can build and the storyline around it, and developing housing systems for players and scaling and leveling. So we'll be going through those code examples as well. And then we'll also be looking at different games that we've built with mini games and simulation games like tycoons, virtual cities, virtual economies. We'll be looking at some holiday-based games for Halloween and Christmas and those other events, and how you can make your games around certain holidays and events. Also looking at fan-based games, we'll be creating those. And lastly, we'll be looking at player security in Roblox games, how you can build games that are safe. If you'd like to get more updates on all our content, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.